Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with a clean, dry surface because paint clings to contaminants. Remove wax and grease so coating grips. Once cleaned, shake the can for 1-2 minutes and test spray on cardboard to confirm an even mist. This prevents heavy spurts. Mask off trim and areas you don't want painted, and choose a calm day or sheltered spot at 50-70 degrees F and low humidity so paint atomizes properly. This is how you prevent initial overapplication and avoid runs from. You now spray in steady, sweeping motions to lay down thin, controlled coats. Hold the can about 6-8 inches from the surface and keep your wrist moving to avoid pooling. Apply 2-3 light coats rather than one heavy coat, overlapping each pass by about 50% so coverage is even without excess. Once done with a pass, make sure to wait 5-10 minutes of tack time between coats. This prevents solvent from trapping and causing runs when the next wet coat is applied. You finish by allowing proper flash and cure times recommended on the can so solvents escape and film sets. If the surface needs refinement, wet sand lightly with 800-1200 grit between coats to remove texture, then tack off dust and apply another thin coat. If a run appears, resist the urge to recoat wet. Instead, let the run fully cure, sand it flat with fine grit, clean the area, and reapply thin, controlled coats. This is the reliable fix when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.